Morning everyone. Yesterday we discussed about exercise number 4.1 from pair of linear equations into variables, and this exercise we done 4 to 5 problems, I think so. Now we'll discuss 8th problem from exercise number 4.1. It's very interesting, but need basic knowledge about area of rectangle. When we read this question, we get confused how to do this problem. That's the reason I'm telling. Because, okay? The area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Here there is no area, but reduced area is given. There is no length, there is no breadth. From the first statement, very, very important. First I will define the area of rectangle with the help of x and y. Okay. Suppose this is my rectangle. I don't know the area of this rectangle, but this keep in mind. Okay. Suppose this is my length x and my breadth is y. Its area is equals to x into y, because length into breadth is area from this my rectangle. This is my rectangle. The area x into y, where x is the length and breadth is the y. That's okay. Now coming to the first sentence. The area of rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Once again, I will read the question. The area of rectangle is get reduced 80 square units if length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay. Suppose length is reduced. This length is reduced by how many units? 5 units. That is x minus. And breadth is increased as 2 units. Right? 2 units. That means total y plus 2. Then it may be like this. Right? So, okay. Then area is reduced by 80 square units. This is very, very important concept that helps you to write the first linear equation. Okay. So area of rectangle, I defined x into y. Okay. Now I will write length is reduced by 5 units. That means x minus 5 times, and my breadth is increased at 2 units. 2 units. That means y plus 2. Then area is reduced by This area is reduced by 8. But A is nothing but xy. Xy I define initially to write a linear equation that is very, very clear. Therefore, in place of A, I can write x into y. Area of rectangle is reduced by 80 is equal to. Here we know how to multiply these two linear equations. First term into first term, x into y. First term into second term, 2x. Second term into first term, y. Second term into second term, minus 10. Here xy get cancelled, because if it is transferred from left to right, it will be subtracted from xy. Then they will get cancelled. Now coming to here, minus 10 will go that side. Minus 80 plus 10, and here we have 2x minus 5. 2x minus. So then how much? Minus 17. is equal to 2x minus 5y. This is my first linear equation from the first state. Now coming to the second. If area, if we increase the length of if we increase the length by 10 units and decrease the breadth by 5 units, the area will be increased with 50 square units. Once again, I am reading second statement. It's very, very important. Very simple. If we increase the breadth by 10 units, okay, I would like to remove this part. This is my rectangle. Keep in mind, I am coming to the second step. Keep in mind, this is my rectangle. Length is x and breadth is y. Length is x and breadth is y. Keep in mind. Okay. Now, its area, length into breadth, that is xy. Keep in mind. Now we are coming to the second statement from here. If we increase the length by 10 units, length is increased by 10 units. How much? X plus 10. Now my length is x plus 10. And decrease the breadth by 5 units. Suppose if I decrease it like this, that means how much units I decreased? Where is that? 5 units. That means y minus. Then area increased by 50 square units. Where we have? Then area increased by 50 square units. This is very, very. Okay, I will take the area of this rectangle. That is x plus 10. This is my length. Is multiplied by breadth y minus 5 rb. Then area get increased by 50 square units. Area a plus area number being changed. I define initially my area is x into y. When length is increases and breadth is decreases, then area increases by 50 square units. Now I will solve this. I will solve this one. Area is defined, that is x into y. I will write x into y here. And plus 50 is equal to first term into first term, x into y. First term into second term, minus 5x. Second into first term, 10y. And second term into second term, minus 50. Minus 50. Okay. Then again xy get cancelled. When we transpose the xy from left to right, that will be subtracted from xy. Okay. Now coming to here 50, that is equals to here minus 5x plus 10y minus 50. Okay. Now this is minus 50 will go that side, plus 50. 50 plus 50, 100. Then here I have minus 5x plus 10. This is my second linear equation. This is my first linear equation. By using these two, I will solve it to get the x and y, where x is the length and y is my breadth of rectangle. Am I clear of that? So at last is given, find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Okay. So here I would like to use eliminating method to get length and breadth of my system of equation. So my system of equation, I will write it down here now. The first one is 2x minus 5y is equals to minus 70. Okay. And minus 5x plus 10y is equals to 100. Okay. Now I will multiply with the first equation with just 2. Why? Because when I multiply with 2 on the first equation, here 2 2s are 4x, 2 5s are minus 10y is equals to minus 1. Now see these two are same. I'm trying to eliminate y from these two equations by multiplying with 2 on first equation. I just multiply 2 on both the sides with the first equation. I will get this equation in which here I have minus 10y. In the second equation I have 10. So now I just adding these two. By adding these two, I will get here minus x because 4x minus 1. Here these two get cancelled. By adding plus and minus, both will get cancelled. And coming to, by adding this one, we'll get how much? Minus what? By adding 100 minus 140 is nothing but minus what? These two get cancelled. Then I will get x. What is my x? The length of a rectangle. I already defined. Okay, now substitute x is equal to 40 in any one of the equations to get the y. Y is nothing but breadth of a rectangle. So now I will take this equation. What is that? My 2x minus 5y is equals to how much? Minus 70. I will take my x 40. 2 times 40 minus 5y is equals to minus 70. Then I will take 80 minus 5y is equals to minus 70. Then transpose this one to that side. So 80 plus 70 is equals to 5y by transposing this side. So 80 plus 70 how much? How much? 150, right? So 5y is equal to 150. 150, keep in mind this is 150. So what is that? 5y is equal to 150 and y is equal to 150 by 5. How many times? 30 times. Y is equal to how much? 30 units. And this is 40 units. Keep in mind 40 units and that is 30 units. That means my length is 40 and my breadth is 30 units. My dear,